Hi, so today I want to show you how to enter a new course into your list of courses. First thing you need to do is to log in. And when you first get to My Dental Course, you'll see up here just a blue icon. You just click there and log in. If you do not have an account at this point, you would have to register for one. But if you're watching this video, you likely have an account. Click on the icon and go to Manage Courses. When you're there, you're going to see all the courses that you have already listed. All you do is you click on New Course. That will pop that out here. Type in the course title. You'll see that it pops up here, changing the title, remove user reviews to this course. That's not relevant for this one, of course, because it's brand new. But keep in mind, if you ever do this and are changing a course title, that it will lose reviews because our system assumes if you change the name of it, it's a new course. So just keep that in mind. Fill in your description. You have up to 500 characters here, so you've got lots of room. And it is best to put in as much description as you possibly can, especially for the keyword search, because the more words you have in here that are related to the search terms you want to come up for, the more likely that you're going to be at the top of the list. Put in your price, whatever that is, your currency, the number of credits. You can just type that in. And then we get to where your dates. So your dates can be put in a number of ways. You can have a single day, so that would be all you would do. You can have a course that runs from one day to another day. So let's say that it runs from this Saturday to maybe I don't know, the following Saturday. Let's say it's a whole week. What you would do is go through here or go into this box and click through. So this means it runs from this day through to this day. So it's every day in between. If it was only this day and this day, so let's say it was just the two Saturdays, you would put in and. So it would be this day and this day. And you can keep doing this, if you had 3 dates, you could put, maybe it's every Saturday, so it's this day, and this day. Actually, I guess I got that one wrong, didn't I? So we can change this to the 10th. So now you can see this is 3 Saturdays, okay? Then you put in your city, your state, we'll just pick one, country. US and Canada, of course, are the most prominent, but you can select any country you want. Categories. So when you're selecting your categories, we do ask that you try and be as specific as possible. If you were to select all, it's very likely that we would not approve your course to be posted. So if your course is about something that's very specific, please only choose that. Maybe it's about endodontics and periodontics, that's fine. Or, lasers might be included in there, infection control, I don't know. Whatever your course is about, please just try and be as specific as possible because that will help help it to show up in the searches. Who is it for? Is this just for dentists? Is this for dentists and assistants? Is this only for hygienists? Or is this for everybody who wants to take it? Whatever it is, please check it off here because that'll also help you in your search. Course link. This should be a link to your website, but not just to the homepage. This should go directly to the course. We want people to be able to find that course information very quickly, and it's going to be a lot better experience for them if they go directly to that course and be able to purchase it right there instead of having to click around your website to try and find it. So please make sure that this course link is to the course that you're putting in here. Is this an online course? If it is, check here. You'll notice the dates change a little bit because the way that online courses work. Is it a live webinar? Then again, it'll go back to a specific date. If it isn't, is it on demand, etc. Don't worry about this right now. This will be covered in another video. If you do not want this listing to go live, but you just want it to get approved, or you're going to work on it again later, you can select paused and then submit changes. You'll notice how everything stays red until we submit changes, and that's to help you know that these changes have not been submitted. And something else that's really important is that if you are editing any of the courses, it doesn't matter which one, and you want to see what it looks like on the front end of the site, all you have to do is click preview, and it will show that very specific course that you are editing. So it helps you understand where things show up, and maybe you can adjust if you want it to look a little bit better in different ways. And that's it.